Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Keyframe in Filmora application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Filmora application and I'm going to use Keyframe to create a zoom effect for my video. First thing first, I'm going to click on the video and this is the Keyframe button. We can use it to create zoom effect, or you can also create like bounce animation with this keyframe. Basically, you can do a lot of things with this keyframe button, but here I'm just going to show you how you can use keyframe to create zoom effect. Okay, first thing first, I'm going to add the keyframe, the scale keyframe. I'm going to click on it. Okay, and now the keyframe has been added to my clip or my video, and I'm going to place the second keyframe right here. I'm going to click on the keyframe again, and I'm going to change the scale. I'm going to make it, for example, 200. Okay, and let's see the result. As you can see, now the keyframe has been applied to my video and the zoom effect has been created. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use keyframe in Filmora application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.